Good morning. This is Bill from Curious Cars, and oh gosh, what's that? Oh, it's so ominous. Oh, it's looking at me with those beady eyes. Oh, I'll try not to be distracted. Anyway, this is gotta be a miserable, shitty, crappy, unfit for human habitation, cold Minnesota day, and it's only gonna get worse. And I got my coronavirus whiskey ready to go. Well, let's get to it. What has to be my favorite car of all time, a 1991 W126 560 SEL, 36,000 actual miles. And if I had to pick one car to be on a desert island, of course you don't have gas on a desert island. Okay, let's get to it. Bear with me.